outside layer, inside layer, filter for the middle layer, stitch 3 sides, bottom and the 2 sides, leaving 1 centimeter free at the top edge. Turn it around. Turn it inside out, taking the outer solid blue layer. Make sure the corners are out. Fold the top of the mask with solid blue as shown. Stitch the top about 1 centimeter away from the top edge. Cut out any excess material. Cut the redundant flap. We have to do the dart tucks at 3 spots, bottom and the 2 sides as shown with the pencil. This is what it looks like after the dart tucks have been applied, as you can see on the inside of the mask. Use a chenille stem, pass it through the gap that is left on the top edge, adjusting the stem to the middle. Fold the nose bridge and you can see what it looks like now. Seal the top gap. Attach the elastic loops to the sides on the inside of the mask. The 3-layered mask is now ready and we will make the face shield. This is an empty box of croissants bought from Costco. The box has been cut and this is the top half of the box. Using a cutter, cut out the sides as shown. It's easier if all 4 corners are cut first, so the top gets flattened. It's best to use a cutter for this. You can see now all the sides have been cut out. Make sure that the corners are rounded. All the sharp edges are trimmed, and this is what the face shield looks like. This will have to be stitched onto a modified headband. The headband can also be a sweatband. You can see the flexibility of the face shield. It seems to be the right thickness, and it is transparent. Take an ordinary cap, remove the top and the visor. You are left with this band to which the face shield has been stitched. This is the back of the face shield. Time to try it out. Adjust the mask first. The mask fits well on the sides, on the chin, as well as on the nose bridge. The face mask, the face shield that is ready is being put on. Adjust it on the forehead, and this is what the complete face shield looks like. And this is looking at it from the sides. This is all DIY personal protective equipment. Installing a MERV filter, MERV 13 filter, which filters out viruses, and also a face shield.